Once upon a time in a small town, there was a man named Arif. He had always struggled with speaking English. He knew a few words, but whenever he tried to speak, he felt nervous. His heart would race, his hands would sweat, and he would end up saying nothing at all. One day, his friend Samir, who spoke English fluently, said, "Arif, the only way to improve is to practice every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking." Arif hesitated but decided to take the challenge. He started small. Every morning, he stood in front of the mirror and spoke to himself. "Good morning, Arif. Today will be a great day." At first, it felt silly, but soon he became more comfortable with his words. Then he started talking to people. At the tea shop, he ordered in English. "1 cup of tea, please." The shopkeeper smiled and replied, "Sure." It was a small moment, but it gave Arif confidence. One evening, while walking in the park, he met a tourist who was lost. The tourist asked, "Excuse me, can you help me find the bus station?" Arif's mind went blank for a second, but then he took a deep breath and replied, "Yes, go straight, then turn left. The bus station is there." The tourist thanked him, and Arif felt proud. As days passed, Arif started reading English books, watching English movies, and even thinking in English. His words became smoother and his confidence grew stronger. One day, his company asked him to give a small presentation in English. He felt nervous but remembered Samir's advice. "Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking." He took a deep breath and spoke. His words were not perfect, but his message was clear. Everyone clapped for him. From that day, Arif was no longer afraid. He realized that learning English was not about being perfect. It was about trying, making mistakes, and improving every day. And so he continued his journey, speaking more, learning more, and inspiring others to do the same.